Let's work now on class discussion 4. This is about conversion of unit measurements. And this one are the standard unit of conversions given during the Regents exam. So this one. So let's try to apply this one for problem 4a. Convert 25 miles per minute into yards per hour. So we'll try to rewrite this one in terms of fractions. So you are asked to convert 25 miles per minute. So this is 25 miles per minute means per 1 minute. So your goal here is to convert to yards per hour. So it should be yards per 1 hour. So this is your goal here, to convert this unit of measurement. So we call this one as a dimensional analysis here. So look for a unit of conversion that standard conversions between miles and yards. Okay, so here when you try to look at the standard unit of conversions, you see here 1 mile is equivalent to 1,760 yards. So I'm going to use this standard equivalence. Now your goal here is to cancel out miles, so which means when you try to write this one as a ratio here, so you have to put miles in the bottom and put yards, because our goal is we want yards per hour. So then you write the standard equivalent. So 1 mile is equivalent to 1,760 yards. So in this case, if I use the standard unit of measurement, this one will cancel out miles. Now your next goal now is to eliminate minutes. Okay, so which means now that, okay, I'll just erase this one. So your goal is yards per hour. Okay, so that you'll be able to cancel minutes, so make sure that you put minute on top and hour on the bottom, since there is a standard equivalent between minutes and hours. So here is not given in the Regents exam, but you should be able to know what is the standard equivalent of minutes and hour. We know that 1 hour is equivalent to 60 minutes. So in this case, the minutes will be cancelled out. So what's left now would just be yards and hour. And what you can do here is you simply multiply this one. So multiply this, and this one will lead to yards per hour. So let's now multiply that. So what's on top? You have 25 times 1,760 times 60. Okay, that should be equal to 2,640,000. So this is 2,640,000. Okay, yards per hour. So this one would be the equivalent for 25 miles per minute into yards per hour. Okay, the next one is converting 21,120 yards per hour. So we have 21,120 yards, okay, per hour. So it should be 1 hour. So your goal here is to convert to, so this is yards per hour, convert to miles per minute. So this is now miles per minute. Okay, so let's start with miles, yards to miles. So that you'll be able to cancel yards, so make sure that on the standard equivalent, the yards should be on the bottom and miles should be on top, so that this one will cancel out. Okay, and look at now the standard equivalent. So you see 1 mile, so 1 mile is equivalent to 1,760 yards. Now for the hour now, so I want to cancel out hours, so that means hours should be on top and minutes should be on the bottom. Okay, so in this case, try to identify the standard equivalent of hour and minutes. So 1 hour is equivalent to 60 minutes. So in this case, you will be able to cancel out hour and just simply multiply all of these standard equivalents. And this one now will arrive at miles per minute. So this is what's left. Okay, so this is now equal to, let's do this in the calculator, all the top numbers. So you have 21,120. So multiply that. Okay, all one. So the top would be 21,120 miles over, okay, so the bottom numbers you just multiply, so 1,760 times 60, and this one would be equal to 105. This would be 105,600. Okay, so what's left for here would be minutes. Okay, let's just divide this one. So this would be 21,120 divided by 105,600. You have 600. So this one gives you 0.2 miles per minute. Okay, so this one would be equal to 0.2 miles per minute. Okay.